that right now your wealth is hiding behind the very thing that you're reluctant to do. I want to say that again. Your wealth is hiding behind the very thing that you're reluctant to do. So often people talk about they want to be successful, they want to have a lot of money, they want to have a certain lifestyle. But when you ask people, what are you willing to do for it? So often people will say, I would do anything to reach my goal. I would do anything to live the lifestyle that I want. I would do anything to make this amount of money to help the other people that I love. And I would do anything to truly have a level of success, to truly serve people and live the lifestyle that I want, except for. And a lot of times people say that they'll do anything except for. Whatever that except for, that's the very thing that's hiding behind the very thing that's causing you to not have wealth. That very thing that you're reluctant to do, that's the thing that's causing you to not have wealth. And here's the thing, I'm not talking about something that's going to cause you to compromise your values or put your life in danger. I'm not talking about those things. I'm talking about the things that's truly attached to pride. Because sometimes, and I heard this recently, sometimes people are so fearful to start because they never want to be seen starting from the bottom. But they don't realize that starting from where they start from, that's not the bottom, that's the foundation. And so often you can't experience any level of wealth unless you have a solid foundation. And the thing is, you want to start with the foundation because so often people get these certain levels of success and these certain layers of success and they're not sustainable. And guess what? They crumble under the weight of so many people that saw them, but they never built the foundation to sustain them to be able to withstand everything that comes. Because here's the reality, whenever you do anything significant, whenever you are an entrepreneur, whenever you're trying to make money, whenever you're trying to help people, whenever you're trying to do anything significant, you're going to be challenged. That's a 100% guarantee. You're going to be challenged by people outside of you, or you're going to be challenged by your own doubts, fears, and beliefs, but you're going to be challenged either way. And it's like when those challenges come up, one or two things are going to happen. Either you're going to rise or you're going to fall to the level of expectation that you have for your success on the other side. And so often people just give up and they quit because of all of what other people think, say, and what people might think about them or whatever. And that comes down to that person's foundation, because when you've built a strong enough foundation, it doesn't matter who say what, when, or where. You know that you know what you know when you know it, and you don't need anybody to agree or disagree with you for you to believe what you believe. However, it does make you feel a little bit better when people do agree with you, but it's not a requirement. That only comes when you work at the foundational level. But if you don't start at the foundational level and you want to start at the top, the foundation will never be built. And so going back to, your wealth is hiding behind the very thing that you are reluctant to do. So often people don't realize that their wealth is just one step away. They just have to start. Their wealth is one decision away. They just have to decide. Their wealth is one choice away. They just have to choose. And what people fail to understand, and most of us are like this, myself included, we would do more for somebody else than we'll do for ourselves. And guess what? Every choice you and I make is a generational decision. And the sooner that we know that, the more likely that we are to take imperfect, massive, and immediate action. And when you take massive, imperfect, and immediate action, it's only a matter of time before beautiful, phenomenal things happen and you get the result that only comes with taking a step out of from where you are to where you want to be. And it's not going to happen overnight. But the thing is, it's never going to happen if you don't at least take a step. So I want to encourage you, wherever you are, take massive and immediate action and be sure that you're doing the thing that maybe you've been prideful to not do because you didn't want to start at the bottom, if you will. But it's not the bottom, it's the foundation. Because again, your wealth might be hiding behind the very thing that you're reluctant to do. And you don't want to truly continue to put your wealth off into the future, and it gets to a point where it's in Neverland, all because of you are not willing to do these things that's on the other side of that success. Because it's not just about your success, but it's also about the future success of the people that you can help. It's also about the generations of success that you can be responsible for. And it's also about the generational wealth that you can leave as a result of the actions that you took. And it's not just money, but it's also you giving people permission to unlock their greatness because you unlock yours by doing what was required and not what was comfortable.